Everyone, this tutorial is going to walk you through the activity challenge and a few other ways that you can have fun on the platform. So to get started, you're going to go ahead and go to the activity challenge tab here on the left-hand side. As you can see, this will show you all the different activities that are available and the points that are associated with them. So the activities are pretty self-explanatory. Most of it is just going through the different tabs on the platform. And over here, it'll show you the points that are associated with each activity. And then it'll show you the type of points. So if it's just kind of a one-time point, if it's cumulative, or if it's one per each sponsor, like this one says. This will also show you your activity score, and then there is a leaderboard so you can see where other people are at, as well as where you compete with other people. There are a bunch of fun activities, so we encourage you to participate in these activities and have fun on the platform and learn a little bit more about our mission. Next, I wanted to go over the photo gallery, which is some more fun on the platform. We are going to be having a Wear Green contest, so this will be the place where you can upload your Wear Green pictures or pictures of you attending the conference with your swag bag, anything fun like that. So for this, you can share a picture. You will have to enable access. So as you can see, it pops up the camera. So you can either smile and take a picture, or you can click on this little photo icon and that'll pull up pictures from, again, a place on your computer where you can upload a picture. So there's that. And then the gallery will show you all of the different photos that have been submitted. So you can take a look at other people's Wear Green contest entries and other pictures that they're sharing with the annual conference. We will be sharing some live photos from the in-person conference as well. Next thing that I want to go through here is notes. So this is a really cool feature that gives you the opportunity to create notes. So if there's something that you want to jot down, or there's during a session you want to maybe type some follow-up notes, you can go ahead and just hit this create note, and then you can just type your note here. I'll just do a short one for example, and then you can go ahead and save this note. And if this is something that you want to send to yourself, you can also email it to yourself. This will automatically put in the email that you signed up to register with. So if that is something that you want to send yourself, you can just go ahead and hit that send button and it'll send you an email. The platform will be open for about a month after the annual conference. So these are something that you'll be able to go back and refer to, but I would recommend sending the notes to yourself if there's something important that you want to save moving forward. Last thing here I wanted to go through is the help desk. So if you're experiencing any kind of technical difficulties or not finding what you're hoping to on the platform, go ahead and click on this help desk. This kind of gives you some selected things that maybe you need help with. So you can go ahead and click on those if you need help. If there's something that you need help with that is not listed in this blue section up here, you can go ahead and click this tab for assistance and fill out a form, and someone will reach back out to you and help you. It also shows you what the team can assist you with there. So that is kind of the rest of the platform. There are a couple of buttons down here that are just kind of quick hits. So this is to ask a question. If you have any questions, you can click on that. This will take you to the notes that we talked about. So if there's just like a really quick note that you want to jot down without having to go through this side of the platform, you can just really quickly hit that and type your note. And then if you're wanting to send a quick message to someone, you can also click on that as well. So we hope you have fun with this platform.